Okay, today is Tuesday, February 25th, 2025. It's about 3:45 p.m. and I made a lot of progress today on the pond and putting the rocks in the giant core stone. Started over here at the edge of the dock and just kind of worked my way up towards the bridge. Along here, it's about 5 feet wide in most places, maybe 3 in others. I had to make it wider in some places because the slope going into the water was a lot greater, and had to build it up. And in order to keep everything level, I had to bring the stone out further, closer to the edge of where the lawn was. And I'm going to be bringing some 2.5-inch clean in tomorrow to cover this whole area to meet grade at the edge of these rocks right here. This video probably will not show the pitch and the slope as well, but it's here. And I'll walk down this way. I got about another excuse me, I got about another 30 feet to go. It's about probably another hour's worth of work, give or take, to place all the big stuff along the water's edge. Fortunately, there's an existing row of rocks. I guess it kind of fell in the pond over the years, just at the water's edge, which is going to be used to as a base for these larger ones to hold everything in place. And it'll work out real good because this cedar tree that's right here now is kind of at the edge of where the rock that's along the water's edge goes out about 4 feet past the edge of the pond here, which is kind of good, meaning it's shallow. And I'm just going to add the bigger rocks to hold everything in place when we backfill it with the smaller ones, and then the 2.5-inch diameter clean crushed stone, which will be put in here tomorrow. So yeah, this is part 2. Not much else to do here, not much else to say. This rock was a lot bigger, as I said in the first video, a lot bigger than I anticipated, but it actually worked out for the better, especially with the angle of the slope in some areas was very, very steep. So the larger material worked out better because it will hold the soil back quite a bit from eroding. The biggest problem I ran into was where this retaining wall comes down over here. There's actually a little well house. Water's constantly flowing out of it. There's a little trough on the other side right there, and the water's just pouring out, and it's an overflow, and it makes its way right down to the pond. That thing, no matter how dry it is, runs year round. That's a nice little spring house. So yeah, this is what I've got done so far. There's a little dogwood tree they planted right here along the water's edge, and that should look real nice once everything is topsoiled and the ground cover is put in. So then I'm going to come back and reseed it, and that probably won't take place for at least another month or so. All right, well, that was part 2. I'll do a little short video when I'm all done, probably tomorrow, of the 2.5-inch diameter stone being put down, and we'll go from there.